Hey, at this time, I just want to take a mental note. When Tony Bobby's head in the back look like his neck about to fall off. I'm just playing. Don't get mad at me. Turn it up. Right there. Hey, it's DC. Okay. Steak and salmon on my plate, I got expensive taste. Take father time on the foot race. Hands of the clock, can't keep up with the pace. Hoes came with the money, I ain't never got to chase. So, you can catch a tiger by the toe, that's all. I can whip out my dick and catch a cougar by the jaw. If a kid want a purse, I could take her to the mall. But one thing come first, she gotta make the panties fall. All these people looking, they praying that I fall. Critics got my finger trigger itching. They say they hate my every verse, but who really made them listen? Blame it on yourself, cause I'm here to stay. If you're mad I called you out, then you shouldn't have pressed play. Got your girl turned up, speakers full blast. I know some people mad at me. Took a month off to recharge my battery. Now my energizers ever last. Had to cut some things off, but that's all in the past. You do the same thing, same way. Came up from the bottom, yet you're still in the same place. I don't get it. Catch me in the same place. Did it for my city. I guess in this scene, I gotta play the villain. So you can say my name, but don't say you call the villain. Okay. One more time. Gotta shut the game down, do it on the daily. Hold all the chorus, cocksuckers can't play me. Don't believe everything you hear, word of mouth got that from Tupac and Jay-Z. These people got me 3 times madder than Max. Thunderdome couldn't contain me. Talking Mel Gibson back in 85. Shit, I know all the facts, but I wasn't even alive. Now I'm living on the jet, no turbulence, opposition zero. Somebody asked Tina, do we need another hero? Hold on. That was a reference to a movie back in 85. You think they got that one? I don't. Just turn it up.